In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring memberships in Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the page that shows all available Odoo applications. This is where you can access the different modules installed in your system. From there, scroll down until you find the Sales section. In that area, click on Subscriptions. This will take you into the subscription management area, where you can create products designed for recurring billing. Once you're inside Subscriptions, go to Products, then select Products again. This opens the product list, where you can create and manage the subscription products your customers will purchase. Now click New to create a new product. In the product name field, enter the name of your membership. For example, you can type Premium Membership. Choose a name that clearly tells both you and your customers what the membership includes, especially if you plan to offer more than one recurring option later. Next, set the product type to Service. This is important because a membership is not a physical item that needs inventory tracking or shipping. Setting it as a service helps Odoo treat it correctly in the subscription workflow. After that, locate the Sales section on the product form. Under the Subscriptions area, find the option labeled Accept One Time. Leave this disabled. This setting matters because if it stays off, the product will be used specifically as a recurring subscription instead of being available as a one-time purchase. That helps keep your membership billing structure consistent. Now move to the Prices section. Here, add a new pricing line under Prices. In the Plan field, select the recurring subscription plan you want to use. For example, you might choose Monthly if you want customers to be billed every month. Then select the appropriate price list for the membership. This should match the pricing structure you want to apply to your customers. In the Min Quantity field, enter 1. This means the pricing rule applies starting from a single membership purchase. Next, in the Unit Price field, enter the amount your customers should pay for each recurring billing period. For example, you can enter 20 if the membership costs 20 per month under the selected plan. Before you finish, take a moment to review the key settings. Check again that Accept One Time is still disabled and confirm that the Plan, Price List, Min, Quantity, and Unit Price fields are all filled in correctly. A quick review here can help prevent billing or product setup mistakes later. At this point, your recurring membership product is configured with a recurring subscription plan and price, and it's ready to be used in Odoo. Thanks for watching.